Are you inundated with yarn, project remnants, discount bin bargains, the gifted, the thrifted, and a stash of other odds and ends of unknown origins? This series aims to bust that stash with quick, simple tutorials that use only small amounts of yarn. Welcome to the Scrap Stash. Hey everyone, welcome to Skein Spider. Today's Halloween pattern is going to be a zombie puppy, so grab your hooks and let's get started. To make this pattern, you're going to need a 3mm hook, scissors, stitch markers, a needle, pins, stuffing, and 8-ply yarn in a colour or colours of your choice. The head begins with 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 6 increases. Round 3 is 3 single crochet, 3 increases repeated twice. Round 4 is 1 single crochet followed by an increase and then a repeat of 2 single crochet, 1 increase done 5 times. Finish off with 1 single crochet. Round 5 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 6 is worked entirely into the back loop, so put 30 single crochet in the back loop only. Round 7 is 2 single crochet, 1 increase and then a repeat of 4 single crochet, 1 increase done 5 times. Finish off with 2 single crochet. Round 8 is 36 single crochet. Round 9 is 5 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 10 is 42 single crochet. Round 11 is 13 single crochet and an increase repeated 3 times. Rounds 12 to 14 are 45 single crochet. Round 15 is 13 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Round 16 is 42 single crochet. Round 17 is 5 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times. Round 18 is 2 single crochet and a decrease followed by a repeat of 4 single crochet, 1 decrease done 5 times. Finish off with 2 single crochet. Round 19 is 3 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times. At the end of round 19, secure your end and begin to stuff the head. When you finish stuffing, we're going to continue with round 20, which is 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, and then a repeat of 2 single crochet, 1 decrease done 5 times, finishing off with 1 single crochet. Round 21 is 1 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times, and round 22, the final round, is 6 decreases. Finish off and weave in your end. The muzzle begins with 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 6 increases. Round 3 is 3 single crochet, 3 increases repeated twice, and rounds 4 through to 7 are 18 single crochet. Finish off and leave a tail for sewing. The chest and neck are one piece. You're going to begin by putting 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 6 increases. Round 3 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 4 is 1 single crochet followed by an increase and then a repeat of 2 single crochet, 1 increase done 5 times. Finish off with 1 single crochet. Round 5 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase done 6 times. Round 6 is 2 single crochet and an increase followed by 4 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 5 times, finishing off with 2 single crochet. Round 7 is 36 single crochet. Round 8 is 5 single crochet and an increase done 6 times. Rounds 9 through to 12 are 42 single crochet. Round 13 is 5 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times. Rounds 14 and 15 are 36 single crochet. Round 16 is 2 single crochet followed by a decrease and then 4 single crochet, 1 decrease done 5 times. Finish off with 2 single crochet. Round 17 is 30 single crochet. Round 18 is 8 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Round 19 is 27 single crochet. Round 20 is 7 single crochet and a decrease repeated 3 times, and round 21, the final round, is just 24 single crochet. Finish off and leave a tail for sewing. The body also begins with 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2, 6 increases. Round 3, 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 4, 1 single crochet and an increase, followed by 2 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 5 times. Finish off with 1 single crochet. Round 5 is 3 single crochet and an increase repeated 6 times. Round 6 is 30 single crochet. Round 7 is 2 single crochet, 1 increase, and then 4 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 5 times. Finish off with 2 single crochet. Rounds 8 through to 12 are 36 single crochet. Round 13 begins with 9 single crochet, and then you're going to do a repeat of 4 single crochet, 1 decrease 3 times. Finish off the round with 9 single crochet. Round 14 again begins with 9 single crochet and then a repeat of 3 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Finish off with 9 single crochet. Round 15 is 8 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Rounds 16 through to 19 are 27 single crochet. Round 20 begins with 9 single crochet and then a repeat of 3 single crochet, 1 increase done 3 times. Finish off with 6 single crochet. Round 21 is 9 single crochet and an increase repeated 3 times. And round 22, the final round, is 10 single crochet, 1 increase done 3 times. Finish off and leave a tail for sewing. The front legs begin with 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 6 increases. Round 3 is 4 single crochet and then 4 half double crochet increases and finish with 4 single crochet. A half double crochet increase is just 2 half double crochet in the same stitch. Round 4 is 16 single crochet. Round 5 is 4 single crochet followed by 8 half double crochet and then 4 single crochet. Round 6 is 16 single crochet. Round 7 is 6 single crochet, 2 decreases followed by 6 single crochet. Round 8 is 5 single crochet followed by 2 decreases and then finish with 5 single crochet. And round 9 is 12 single crochet. At this point, secure your end and begin to stuff the foot. Once you've finished stuffing, we're going to continue with round 10, which is 1 increase, 4 single crochet, 1 decrease, and then finish with 5 single crochet. Rounds 11 through to 14 are 12 single crochet. At this point, stop and continue stuffing the leg. Round 15 is 5 single crochet and an increase repeated twice. Round 16 is 14 single crochet. Round 17 is 6 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. Round 18 is 16 single crochet. Round 19 is 6 single crochet and a decrease repeated twice. Round 20 is 5 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated twice. Add a little bit more stuffing at this point, and then round 21, the final round, is 6 decreases. Finish off and leave a tail for sewing. The back legs use the exact same pattern as the front leg from rounds 1 to 10. Round 11 is 1 increase, 5 single crochet, 1 decrease, and then 4 single crochet. Round 12 is 12 single crochet. Round 13 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 14 is 18 single crochet. Round 15 is 10 single crochet and then a repeat of 1 single crochet, 1 increase done 3 times. Finish off the round with 2 single crochet. Round 16 again begins with 10 single crochet and then a repeat of 1 increase, 1 single crochet done 3 times. Finish off with 5 single crochet. Round 17 is 24 single crochet. At this point, add some more stuffing. Round 18 is 2 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times. Round 19 is 18 single crochet. Round 20 is 1 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times. Round 21 is 12 single crochet. Round 22 is 6 decreases. Finish off and leave a tail for sewing. For the tail, begin with your red yarn and we're going to put 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 2 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. At the end of round 2, you're going to change colours to your main body colour, and then round 3 is going to be worked entirely into the back loop, so put 8 single crochet in the back loops only. Round 4 is 7 single crochet and an increase. Round 5 is 9 single crochet. Round 6 is 8 single crochet and an increase. Round 7 is 10 single crochet. Round 8 is 9 single crochet and an increase. And round 9 is 11 single crochet. Round 10 is 10 single crochet and an increase. And round 11, the final round, is 12 single crochet. Finish off and leave a tail for sewing. The tail bone is made in white and we're going to begin by putting 4 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 4 single crochet. Round 3 is 3 single crochet and an increase. And then rounds 4 through to 6 are 5 single crochet. If you'd like to make the tail bone a little bit longer, just add a couple of rounds of 5 single crochet to the end. Finish off and leave a tail for sewing when you're done. The brain is crocheted in pink and you're going to begin with 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 6 increases. Round 3, 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 4, 1 single crochet followed by an increase and then 2 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 5 times. Finish off with 1 single crochet. Round 5 is 3 single crochet and an increase repeated 6 times, and then round 6 through to 8 are 30 single crochet. Finish off and leave a tail for sewing. The ears begin with 4 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. Round 3 is 2 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. Round 4 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. Round 5 is 4 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. Round 6 is 3 single crochet and an increase repeated 3 times. Round 7 is 4 single crochet and an increase repeated 3 times, and then rounds 8 and 9 are just 18 single crochet. Finish off and leave a tail for sewing. For the eyes, you're going to need both white and red yarn. Begin with the white and put 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 2 single crochet and an increase repeated twice. Round 3, you're going to change colours to your red and then just do 4 single crochet in the red. Finish off and leave a tail for sewing. For the patches, begin with a slip knot and chain 5. Row 1, work into the second chain from the hook and do 4 single crochet. And then rounds 2 through to 4, all you're going to do is chain 1, turn your work and do 4 single crochet. To finish off, single crochet around the entire edge of the patch, finish off and leave a tail for sewing. To assemble our zombie puppy, we're first going to take the body piece and we're going to pin it to the chest piece. The first step is to make sure that the body piece is facing the right way. The part where the more pronounced curve is, that creates the stomach, so that should be on the bottom of the body piece. Once you have that situated the right way, we're going to attach it to the chest piece. The bottom of the body piece, so where the stomach will be, that bottom part sits between rounds 4 and 5 of the chest piece. So pin the bottom part first, lay the rest of the piece against the chest piece and then pin that in place, and then go ahead and sew that on. Next, we're going to sew the head to the chest piece. So pin the bottom of the neck to the head and then sew that on. The next pieces we're going to attach are the legs. Begin with the front legs. The top of the front leg should sit between rounds 13 and 14 of the chest/neck piece and on the side of the body. Once you've got one or both, depending on how many you made, done, you're going to attach the back legs. To do that, you're going to sit your puppy on a flat surface, so the front legs that are already sewn on are laying flat. Then holding your puppy steady, you're going to pin the back legs in place and make sure that your puppy is balanced so it will stand upright. Once you've got those in the correct position, sew those on as well. After the legs, we're going to attach the tail, but before we do that, we need to sew the tailbone to the tail. So take the white tailbone piece and sew it to the center of the red part of the tail at the top. Once that's done, you're going to stuff the tail, pin it to the back of the body in whatever position you like, and then pin and sew. After that, we're going to add the facial pieces. We're going to begin with the muzzle. Pin the top of the muzzle in place between rounds 12 and 13 of the head. Pin and sew that on. You can also use the tail end of the yarn to shape the muzzle down the bottom. Once the muzzle's done, we're going to sew the brain on, so pin it in place between round 6 of the head where those exposed back loops are. Pin and sew the brain. Then we're going to sew the ears onto the side of the head and then the eyes onto the front of the head. The last thing we need to attach are the patches. You can choose wherever you want to place these on the body. When they're in a position you like, pin them and go ahead and sew those on too. And after that, all that's left is to add some detail. So you can add a nose, some scars, some stitching on the patches, whatever you like. Do that in black yarn, and then with that, you're all finished. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this pattern. If you did, consider liking and subscribing. We've got one more Halloween pattern to go, so I will see you tomorrow with that.